Well, today is October the 7th, a Monday afternoon. We are preparing ourselves for Hurricane Milton. So I think it's time for me to just go ahead and cut these sorrel down because I do not want to, ball, honestly. Watch how they get so big. So I think it's time to cut them down. And that's what I'm going to do today. All right. All right. So I'm gonna this is one here. All right, so I don't want to cut off the entire stem all down right here. I'm gonna cut it about right here, so leave that part there for others to come. And here you are. Okay, and then when I bring them inside, I will finish up taking out the seed. Because Milton is on his way, I am trying to move as fast as I can because the rain it's drizzling, and I don't want to be in the wet. So this is how it is, as you can see. And then these ones from Hurricane Helene passed through. We didn't get direct hit, but you notice this because all the sorrel tree were down. So I guess that's how these were damaged. But I'm still gonna secure the seeds for so I can get some seed to plant in the future. All right, so I'm just gonna continue cutting them, and then I'll show you guys the amount that I got. Okay, all right. Okay, so it's all gone. We took as much as we can. We leave these little ones because they're not blossom yet. So all the trees them gone. Again, we leave the little ones. That's it. All of them. All right, let me show you the amount we got. This is the amount we got. See, this is the biggest container I have. So yeah, this is the amount we got from it. So I bring these in, wash them, and then do the final prepping for them, and put them up for my Christmas drinking. Yeah, so couldn't afford for Milton can destroy them. Look how this big. Look how this big. But they are so pretty. All right, so that's it. All right. So as promised, I wanted to show you guys how I did some further preparation to make my Jamaican sorrel. I did say when I come in I'm gonna finalize it. So I bought this. It's coring equipment of Amazon. It comes in a pack of 6 of them, different size. Just gonna go ahead and show you what I did. So I just push it, and then you push out the seed. As you can see, how many seeds are over there, and I just pull it back through. So there it goes. You could go ahead and do this instead. Pull them apart like this. If you want to be, you could do this, but I saw someone on YouTube use a coring tool, and then it just separates the seed from the callus. So again, you just use the coring tool, push it up, push out the seed. There you go. Remove the seed from the callus. I think that's what they call it. Calyx, and then the seed pod, and that's it. And then see how rich it is, man. So I'm just gonna just continue doing the final. I think I have about what, 6 left. Yeah. Just pull it back through. Well, I went out order these. Was the same day I picked them right before Milton came. And it took forever to deliver. So but I got them yesterday, I think. And I said this morning I'll just do that to show you guys. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and wash these. I think I'm gonna wash them with some baking soda or maybe vinegar. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use. Just to do the final. Oops, the final preparation. I'm trying to see it. Yeah, this is the last one. So I'm just gonna wash it. Just do what I need to do. Alright, there it goes. And then I'll just go through. And that's it. Alright, so I'll next thing to do is to just go ahead and wash them. I think I'm gonna try and attempt to make some sorrel jam after making the sorrel, and that's about it. All right, take care until bye bye.